Just got these Stanley Fatmax groove joint pliers, the 12-inch version. They're on clearance, Walmart.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Now it's like $7 and change. But, you know, as the locking mechanism, unlike the groove joint pliers right here, the regular groove joint, where you open it up and it can lose position easily. The locking mechanism, as you've seen, I'm sure, in the Knipex and others, locking mechanism doesn't lose anything. You can open up all you want, nothing will happen until you hit the button. And that's what I wanted. I got tired of the channel lock type, where, quite frankly, it was beginning to be a pain in the butt every time I started using them. But I got the 12-inch version here, and I got the Fatmax 8 and 10-inch versions coming in. I know they're not the best quality of this type. It's like the jaw is not exactly lined up. It's a tiny bit loose, maybe. That was from storage, I don't know. But overall, I'm kind of happy with the way they look, the way they feel. And I just, yeah, these things are tough. Hold on one second. A 1, and a 2. I'll just edit that out, maybe. Who knows? Anyway. Yeah. Not too shabby. I know a lot of people have a thing about the rivet type right there, because they're the knockoff of the Knipex ones, but I don't care. Paid about $9 for them. Now they're down even lower online, but with strength, pretty good. I'm squeezing pretty hard. Not really going in that much. Teeth are similar to the Knipex. The button is pretty fluid there. Doesn't do like the DeWalt or the Irwin, that'll automatically come back up without pressing the button. But then again, that'll kind of defeat the purpose of locking it, wouldn't it? But pretty good overall. Thanks for watching. Bye.